Alright guys, join us for this complete tree removal. This is a pretty large gumball tree. Here we are getting started. Funny story. Victor's small chainsaw, he dropped it on the last job. So here we are using a Ryobi saw to get the job done. Just for the limbs, and then we start using the MS261C and just start chopping it down for the bigger parts. Here we are making progress. Here come the big pieces. The last few pieces. Then I call my buddy to come grind the stump. Did a cleanup. Call it a day. This was a 100-degree day. We were dying in this heat. Wouldn't have been as bad, but super hot. We had to be careful with the house and the plants and the landscaping, so just made it a little bit more complicated. Shout out to Victor's Trees. We also did the landscaping here, but that would be a separate video. Just like that. Go shopping for a small tree. Dig the hole, put it in. And this is what it used to look before. This is what it looks like now. And then we went on a side quest and started cutting other little pine trees that the customer wanted gone. And just for shits and giggles, they start using the Ryobi saw and see if it can handle the heat. I mean, it's good for a homeowner's use. You know, it gets the job done, but not for commercial use, man. But it was fun using it. Came in clutch, actually. Saved us from having to go to the store and buy a new chainsaw, because there was no way they were gonna get his fixed the same day. Like and subscribe for more content.